Hi, welcome to a new episode of Tangible Day. Today I will show you how to paint the armor panel lines on this Warhammer miniature using watercolor paints. Panel lines are hard to paint because of how hard they are to reach. Start with a base coated model. You won't need any varnish to start. Using any watercolor paints you might have around, thin it out with a little bit of water and apply them to the panel lines. It's alright to be messy. Cover the entire model. For best results, keep the pigments dense, don't add too much water, and then allow the watercolor to dry completely. Time for cleanup. Using a clean water-dampened brush, slowly remove the excess pigment. Focus on the raised surfaces. You can use a large soft bristle brush to do this. Take your time. To improve contrast, you can add edge highlights over the entire model. Adding edge highlights increases the contrast and makes your entire miniature pop. The armor panel lines will look a lot better this way. It doesn't need to be everywhere. Don't forget to base your model. I like using Vallejo textured paints. It's easy to use, it dries quick, it looks great. And there you have it, it's all done. Armor panel lines made easy using watercolor paints. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the description for more details.